Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
This is the border. Present of Sri Michael Hospital, we found given all the condition for renovation of this hall at IT. So this is the model of the new building which we propose to take up the project as a
Myntri khana Jngoh Sorkar Pdeng ubapet yakatanat Minority Affairs haka arpun ritrek unai wiang arjar puar ulalet Jngoh yaka Dr. H. Gordon Robert Hospital Shillong haringkar kajingar senran lang Jngoh yelam ke BJP Meghalaya State Union uba Michael Kazintio General Secretary ke BJP Meghalaya State Union uba Clarence Nongbet State Vice President uba David Kharsati bat kiwe ya Myntri ka Sorkar Pdeng la Pdeng buram da Medical Superintendent Jngoh Hospital Dr. Nongrum Pastor SS Majau uba KW Marbanyang bat kiwe John Barla ulai kublai kerpang yakani hospital kabala kenjo ya kejingdap sispa sem kenti ha kejing ajing sakri sakipat ba nongsong snong Jngoh jela Meghalaya bat hakathan chate lamingi Jngoh India uba Michael Kazintio ula pensnguru ha Myntri ya kijing don kam babun Jngoh hospital kabadon menta ha Pdeng kejing penkre panchana penhe yakani kejing ai jing sumar kaban kot ha kejing lot kabasan phulai klur tingka Hakani keju si John Barla ulalet bania kendu sayu Archbishop ka Jalan Yamba Shillong Most Reverend Victor Lingdo haying sa jongu Archbishop kabadon halaim kra Shillong.
This hall is used for the nursing also and for the hospital also. Any changes? And this kidney, this one, you can think of all parts. All this area has come and visited our hospital, and we pray about that.
We are the first in education, in health and social. Today you see every political leader, they get education from our institute, from Christian school. Either Abdul Kalam, he also get from the Christian school, Subhash Chandra Bose, Manmohan Singh, Smriti Irani, Piyush Goyal, Jet Li, and all they get education from our institute. But we are not showing our contribution to the nation. That's why we are not getting any respect from the government also. And we didn't get any facilities from the government. We didn't get any fund. Because there is no awareness. We, till today, suppose this hospital run by the Khasi communities. You have development on self, you have done. You didn't get any facilities from the government. Because it is our also fault, we don't know, we are not awareness about the schemes. That's why till today we didn't get. And few days ago, I sit with all the ministry. Council meeting was there with our ministry. On that meeting, Modi gave me to speak. Before that, I visit many states and I collect the data with fathers and bishops and pastors and sisters. What they sacrifice given to the nation. And what they are saying, the Christian people, others people what they think, the Christian people are conversing the Hindu people, but this is not true. Suppose in our blood there is a social work. I didn't get education. I'm talking like I'm educated. No, I did English medium only 5 class. Standard 5 in St. James School. But what I want to say, St. James School.
Yeah. Siap full.